guys, well, today is August 26th. Oh girl, you looking with the dates, I'm not. Anyway, we just finished having brunch. We're about to be on our way to the airport. We're going to New Orleans for Miss Copa's birthday. Thank you. Oh, yes, please. Cash or card doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, whatever you
Anyway, guys, our flight got delayed. Yes, it did. We were supposed to leave at 10:30 PST, and now it is 12 o'clock, and our flight doesn't leave until 2:40. No, we're supposed to leave at 12:30. What I said? 10:30. Oh, well, to get to the airport, we had to leave.
Yeah, our flight was at 12:30, and now it's delayed till almost 3 o'clock. 2:55, I think. I really don't know. 3 o'clock.
Either way, we're just trying to be on our way.
So we just got something to eat because we didn't eat this morning.
I didn't really eat yesterday either.
And we're gonna finish up our cups of coffee and go home so Mom can take us to the airport. And we'll see you guys on the flight. See you.
It's our first full day here. We just wrapped up the night. We didn't do anything but go get our toes done. We went to Old Navy. We got something to eat, and then we took a nap, and then we got ready, and then we went to dinner.
For her birthday, because it's her birthday, because Virgo season.
Virgo season. And now we're packing up because there's a hurricane happening in New Orleans. So we're going to go to Dallas. So you guys are going to go with us a trip inside of a trip. So we're just going to pack up and get our stuff ready, and then we are out of here. We're just getting everything together.
Yes, we are.
Having to repack and everything. So we're gonna get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye. Man. So we finally made it to Dallas.
We've been here for
a good amount of time.
5 hours.
Yeah, we needed to recoup and regenerate. So we got some food, we got some liquor. We explored a little of the city, went a little close to downtown. Those who don't know, the Dallas-Fort Worth area is pretty large. We're in a suburb of Dallas right now. until the storm blows over. It's looking pretty bad in New Orleans. But we'll see what's up. So we're watching 100-Foot Journey and taking shots. And
we need to go to sleep. We haven't slept
really
all day, so
really in the last 2 days, because we had to wake up early
every day.
Yeah, so we're just gonna hang out and watch some TV, drink some drinks, and go to bed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Back in LA. Going home to get high. We are back home in our favorite place, fucking Target. This was probably a lackluster vlog because it was a lackluster trip, but I'm here to pick up some pre-made coffee. My cold brew is not ready. She's in the bathroom, and yeah, we'll let you know how it goes this week. Big things coming.